To install Private Internet Access VPN to your Amazon Fire Stick, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our homepage, and then you want to scroll all the way across to the app drawer, then you want to scroll all the way down and click on Get More Apps. This will take you to the application store on your Fire Stick. All we need to do now is search for Private Internet Access. So you want to go across to the left to the Search tab, and then you want to click on the search box just below. Now all we need to do is search for Private Internet Access. Once you've searched for Private Internet Access, it will look like this and it should be the first result. So all we need to do now is to click into it, and it will take you to the application page where it will tell you more about it. All you need to do is click on the install button in the middle of the screen. So once you've installed Private Internet Access, you want to go ahead and open up the application, and after a few seconds you will be greeted with a login screen. So you want to click on login just in the middle of the screen and log into your account just as you normally would. Now if you don't have an account with Private Internet Access, you can click on the link in the description of this video and it will take you to the Private Internet Access webpage where you can register for an account. I recommend you use Private Internet Access because they've got hundreds of high-speed servers all around the world, which is what you need to use when you're watching high-definition movies. What's also great is that it comes with a no logs policy, which means they don't store any of the encrypted data that you use through Private Internet Access. So you're completely undetectable while using it. So once you've registered for your account, you want to enter in your details just like this, and then you want to click on login. Once you've logged in, the VPN will look something like this. So it's very easy to use. All you need to do is click on the power button at the very top, and that's going to connect you to the VPN server of your choice. If you scroll down, you can also search for VPN servers and connect to the nearest one automatically. You can also manually select a VPN server from this long list of servers here, in case you want to choose one manually. Now before we get started connecting to a server, there's one setting that I recommend changing. If you go to the settings button in the bottom right hand corner and click on that, it will say protocol at the very top. All you want to do is click on protocol and you want to change it to the WireGuard protocol. You then want to click on OK and you can go back to the server. This is because the WireGuard protocol is much more reliable and faster, which again is very handy for streaming high definition content. So all we need to do now is connect to our VPN server. So in this case I'm going to search for one, and I'm going to search for the New York server. Once we've done this, you can click on the New York server and it will connect to it within a few seconds. So once you are connected to the VPN server of your choice, you can exit out of the application and you can start using your Amazon Fire Stick just as you normally would. And that's it. So remember, you can use the link in the description to register for an account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.